So I posted a video last year on me repairing this part of the car with piece of metal, sheet metal, rivets, and I didn't post a follow-up. So here it is. This is what the metal that I bent into place looks like. You can see it here. And this part is that metal. It's galvanized steel, so it's nice and clean. It's about a year, so it survived the winter no problem. There's some rust chips here on the old part of the it's just surface rust, but the paint has come off. So just above where I fixed it, you can see there's some rust that formed. Not really like anything major, but I could clean it up, paint it, clean it up and paint it. But yeah, in the last video I showed, I used like cardboard to figure out the shape of this. Then I bent the metal into that shape and then riveted in with I think it was 1/8 inch rivets, steel rivets, and wherever I was able to attach it, I attached it. And that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. It was a quick fix, and it looks pretty good. The surrounding metal here is, I can hit it with some rust paint and call it a day. There's some rust there, probably a chip, but this probably like moves and touches this, and the friction removes the paint. The other side, I didn't have to do anything yet. It still looks fine. This is still original on the other side. The paint was chipped here, so I just touched it up, but there's maybe a tiny little hole here that's forming, but this is still pretty solid. It doesn't have the chip on. It has a chip there, but not a big deal on a 23-year-old car anyways. Cheers.